I wasn't planning to start my day this way, but here we are. Me sitting inside a busy American restaurant holding the biggest menu I've ever seen. And when I say big, I mean this thing looks like it could double as a yoga mat. Pages and pages of food I didn't ask for and definitely can't pronounce before my second coffee. And just when I think I have a minute to figure out what's going on, hi, ready to order? The waiter's already here, smiling, too confident, too early. I freeze. My brain does that thing where it just logs out. You know when you think you're prepared, but suddenly your English disappears like it's hiding behind the dessert page? I look at the menu. I look at him. I look back at the menu, hoping the answer will magically appear. It doesn't. So here's the curiosity loop I want you to stay with. What do you say in English when you're not ready to order? Because that moment, right now, happens to everyone. I take a breath, smile politely, and say, "Actually, can I have one more minute, please?" And the waiter nods like he was expecting that. Of course, take your time. There it is, our first real line of the day. Simple, natural, native. And now that I have exactly 60 seconds before he comes back, because trust me, they always come back, I want to show you the phrases that will save your life inside any English-speaking restaurant. But before that, let's go back a few minutes to when I walked in. The restaurant was bright and noisy, full of people talking, laughing, ordering, waiters carrying plates like acrobats. The smell of coffee mixed with cinnamon pancakes, a little chaotic, but in a nice way. A woman at the host stand looked at me and said, "Table for one?" "Yeah, table for one, please." She smiled and took me to this table near the window. A great seat, sunlight, good view, the perfect place for beginners to observe English in the wild. And then she said one of the most important questions you'll ever hear in a restaurant. "Can I get you something to drink?" Right there, that moment. If you know what to say, you instantly sound confident. So here's what I said. "Just water for now, please." Natural, short, easy. And if you want something else, you can say, "Can I get an iced tea?" Or, "I'll have a lemonade." All simple, native-friendly sentences. As I'm remembering this, the waiter returns, faster than my brain expected, and suddenly I'm back in the present moment. He smiles again. "So, ready now?" I'm halfway ready, but in English, half ready still counts. So I start with a classic. "I'll have the chicken sandwich, please." Clear, confident. Even if inside I'm screaming, "I hope I chose something safe." He writes it down and asks, "Would you like fries or a salad with that?" Internal panic. Do I want fries? Yes. Should I say it? Also yes. Is it healthy? No. But this is America. Fries come from the sky here. Maybe not, but it feels like it. So I answer the natural way. "Fries, please." He nods. "And something else?" Here's another curiosity loop for you. In American restaurants, when a server asks, "Anything else?" it doesn't mean you should order dessert, a milkshake, and your childhood dreams. It just means, do you want more food or drink? If not, say no. So I smile and say, "No, that's all for now." He leaves. And for the first time today, I feel like I won. Now pause. Let's break down these phrases, but without breaking the story. Okay, your turn. Try this one. "Can I have one more minute, please?" I gesture with my hand, encouraging you. This isn't a classroom. This is real life in English with me. And if the waiter comes too fast, you can say, "I'm not ready yet," or "Could you come back in a moment?" Both natural, both simple, both phrases that beginners almost never use, but should. Now, let's practice ordering. I slide my menu toward you and say, "Tell me what you want." Try something like, "I'll have the," and then the name of the dish. You look around the imaginary menu, pretending to choose. Great, now say it. If you said something like, "I'll have the pasta," that's perfect. If you said, I want pasta, that still works, but sounds more direct. In restaurants, I'll have is softer and more natural. Our food arrives. The waiter places the plates on the table, smiling. Here you go. Enjoy. This phrase, enjoy, is something many learners forget to respond to. Do we say thank you? Yes. Do we say you too? No, unless the waiter is about to sit and eat with you, which would be strange. So the natural answer is just thank you. Simple. We eat, we talk, we pretend the fries were the healthy choice, and then the waiter comes back again with the final question of the day. Do you need anything else? You already know what to say. No, we're good, thank you. He nods and asks, ready for the check? This is your moment. This is the final boss of restaurant English. Because here's the thing, nobody says, bring me the bill. Nobody. Unless you're a British grandpa from a movie filmed in 1972. In the US, we say, can I get the check, please? Or, check, please. The waiter brings it, you pay, you leave feeling victorious. And here's the part that many teachers don't tell you. Ordering food in English isn't about vocabulary, it's about timing, knowing when the server talks to you, what they might ask, and what you can answer quickly, confidently, naturally. Today, you learned exactly that. Before we wrap up, let me give you one last micro scene, the confidence scene. Imagine walking into a restaurant again tomorrow. The host asks, table for two? You say, yes, please. The server asks, what can I get you to drink? You say, I'll have an iced tea. They ask, ready to order? You smile, because now you are, and you say, I'll have the grilled chicken, please. This is how English becomes yours, through tiny, real moments, like this one. If this video helped you, I want you to watch the next one in this series. It teaches you how to talk about your daily routine, and it connects perfectly with everything we practiced today. You'll see it on the screen right now. Click on it. Keep going. Your English grows one small conversation at a time.